welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. If you love recipes, if you love nutrition, you are in the right place. Today we're going to make a coffee cake. Now my mom used to make coffee cake for breakfast on the weekends, and I always have fond memories of that. However, coffee cake is really a dessert. You can enjoy it with a cup of regular coffee. You can have it with a cup of decaf, whichever you prefer. So let's get started. Right, to make our coffee cake, we're gonna mix 2 tablespoons of flax meal, and a half a cup of water, which I've done beforehand because it needs some time to sit, because that's actually supposed to sit for a few minutes so it makes more like an egg type substance. Add a cup and a half of almond flour, a cup and a half of oat flour, a half cup of cornstarch or arrowroot. Arrowroot is a gluten-free version of cornstarch, so if you're gluten-free, you want to look for arrowroot. However, I am using cornstarch in this recipe. They serve as a 1-to-1 replacement for each other. It's your preference. So there's a half of a cup. There's a half teaspoon of baking soda along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to get that mixed in. Okay, next we're going to do 2 cups of unsweetened plant milk and 2 cups of dates. And we're just going to, oh, you know what? I forgot to put in the flax, so let's do that right now. Pour that in here. Get that mixed up before I blend the milk and the dates. Hey, you know what? I'm human. We all make mistakes. It's okay. At least I caught it before it went in the oven. Okay. Now, we're going to blend our 2 cups of milk with our 2 cups of dates. All right, and we pour that into our mixture. And we're going to mix that up nice and well. This is going to be our cake batter. Okay, we're going to pour this into a 9-inch brownie pan, which is just your square pan. And you want to smooth it out just to make sure that the batter is evenly distributed. Now, we'll get ready to make the frosting. Right, we are ready to make our topping. This is going to be more of a crumb type topping than it's going to be a frosting. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put 3 dates, a half a cup of oats, a half cup of almond flour, and a half teaspoon of cinnamon into our food processor. And we're just going to pulse this until it starts to look like a crumb mixture. Okay, this is what our topping is going to look like. We're just going to sprinkle this on the top of our cake, and just take your fingers or spatula or spoon, whatever you have handy, just to kind of spread that around and make it even. This is going to cook for 45 minutes to an hour. If you insert a toothpick in the middle, that comes out clean. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you, have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.